What's going on, y'all? Mr. Boom back with another video. If you guys want to learn how to save money on your screen printing pallets, tired of paying too much money, well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to save some money. Lego. All right, guys, let's get into it. So the reason why I decided to attempt to make a pallet for, smaller garments like tote bags and drawstring bags is because I had a job coming up and I don't want to spend $200 for one pallet. All right, so the first thing I did is I went to Lowe's and I picked up a piece of 2332, so 2x2 sanded pine plyboard, and it's got a good thickness to it. And what I did was, out of that 2x2 piece, I cut me a 10x14 piece size out for my pallet. I also picked up some 12x1.5 stainless steel sheet metal screws. The only reason I got those is because the ends of them were, the heads of them were about the same size as the ones that I pulled off of the bracket that I had for my extra pallet. So that's where I got my bracket from. I just took it off an extra pallet. But depending on what press you have, you can buy the bracket separate and then just make your own pallet and hook your bracket to it, just like I did. This is what it looks like, man. And I mean, it turned out pretty good. And that's the bracket installed on it. This is for a Riley Hopkins 300 press. But like I said, it's gonna be different for all types of presses. So the main thing is you just gotta make sure you get a bracket. If you get the bracket, you can do exactly what I did, and it should work out perfect for you, and you shouldn't have any issues. Like I said, you can see when you can mount this. Look at that. It comes down perfect on it. It's nice and sturdy. Don't seem like it's gonna give me any problems. So I'm anxious to test it out and tell y'all guys how it works. And like, of course, if you have a bigger job to do, you can always make 4 of these or 5 of these, 6 of these, however many your press will hold, you can make those. And one more thing that you want to do with this is that you want to make sure that what I did was I put a piece of vinyl, self-adhesive vinyl, covered the pallet with it. So that way I would have a nice surface for my pallet tape to stick to, because otherwise the pallet tape is not going to stick to the wood. So you need to put something down that can bond itself really good to it, and also allow you to pull it up, change it out, whatever you need to do. With that being said, I hope this video helped you guys out and you kind of learned something from it. Hopefully you can take it and save some money like I did. But I ask you to leave us a like and also subscribe, because you don't want to miss the next video that we're going to upload for you guys. We're going to get into some wide format stuff. We're going to show you how we here at Bull City Printing print banners and also die cut stickers. So stick around for that. But like always, we thank y'all for joining us and we appreciate you.